morning, everyone. Now we're going to continue Siman Reish Nun Dalet, seif Vav, and seif Zayin. We want to talk about taking out the pas out of the ovens. Now, years ago, the oven used to put like that, like you have like the swine, they do the pito. They have it like they stick it into the side of the oven, and then you have like a special thing, you take it off. But here we talk about the oven today. Most of our ovens, it's a regular oven. Then you put the bread there, and it gets cooked. So this is a shallow whether you're allowed or not allowed. Im netano b'Shabbat, afilu b'mizid. What happened if you put the dough in Shabbos? Even they did it in a purpose. Mutar lo lirdot. He's allowed to take it out. Kodim sheyafeh, kedei shelo yavo lidei isur skila. So he's allowed to take it off from the oven before what? Before it gets baked. As we said, before it's ever skila. Because they say the main thing is what? The isur is what? Is really baking. But to put it on, it's not the isur. And that's why it says you're allowed to take it off. You do isur kal in order to save you to do a big sin. Says the Beralach, what about taking out for your friend? Over here we have a rule. We don't say chate kedei shizkercha b'cha. You're not allowed to do a small sin in order to save your friend from a big sin. For yourself is one thing, because it's better to do a small than to do a big sin. But for your friend, that you shouldn't do that. Now, when you take it out, you can take it out. Anyhow, the whole thing is thing out. You don't have to have a special cleat to take it out. So that's considered shinui. That's it means it's better. It means if you do it with shin, let's say do it with a knife or something, a different vessel to take the bread, and then for sure there's no problem. All this is only by baking. But what happened was by cooking. So cooking, you're allowed even to take for your friend. Over there, it's different, yeah? Even if your friend in order not to do this. Why? Because cooking, even for your friend. Let's say your friend put the pot and you want to take it out. You're allowed to do it. Because over here, it's a different, there's no isur bichlal to remove the pot. By isur bishu. By baking, afiya yav isur. So over there, we don't say, don't do a small isur, the big isur. By cooking, there's no isur moving the pot. That's what you can do even for your friend. Next halacha. בתנורים שלנו, שאין בהם רדיעה, מותר להוציא יותר משלוש סעודות בסכין, או בשום דבר שידחוב בו. By yesterday, the ovens today is not the same that it used to be, as we said. So over there you're allowed to take, but how much? What is the measurement? So over here you can take more than three meals. But you have to do with the shinui. But I think I saw over here, according to the Mogen Avrom, yeah, he said that it has a condition you have to eat at least some of it. But in the Halacha is Mekel, and he says, yeah, even though he was sticking with the Isu, Samuch Lachashecho and Shegeg, if you have a hefsed, you're afraid it's going to get ruined. So then, even if you don't have to eat all the 3 meals, even one of the 3 meals, that should be enough. Now, you have another thing. What about taking it out? Are you allowed to mikol makom lo yotzi beretach? That's the special vessel that you take out the bread. Should the mercy kuvdin kichol? That looks like what? Like uvin dechol. That's only by a Jew, by a Gentile. It's allowed to do even by a special vessel. Now, what happened if I wanted to use it not for Shabbos, I want it for after Shabbos, for the week? I want it for the week. So then what we said, generally you're not allowed to do something from the Shabbos to Chol. Yeah? Even some tiltul is also. But by a goy for sure you can do that. Yeah? So the Rabbi is maker. Yeah? If it's going to get ruined. But the Mogen Avrom is not happy with that. He wasn't, Because since you could eat it in Shabbos, why are you waiting for after Shabbos? So that's why it's not so, it's not noyach to be matir. Anyhow, tomorrow, Bezrat Hashem, we're going to learn about cooking vegetables and water. That's the next two Simon Meches and Tes, cooking vegetables or water. I want to wish everyone today a good day today. And Bezrat Hashem, there's another